rising. I apologize for the quality of my camera. There's a crack, looks like that's new in my camera right there, so there is a little glare. I hope it doesn't bother you too much. Work with me. Today's video is going to be a special video. I'm going to be doing a Himalayan sea salt detox. So I'm going to be having the saltwater cleanse, and this is really good for cleaning out the colon. So I really wanted to go ahead and do that and start off with my journey again of my belly, weight loss, postpartum journey. I've already been doing detoxes and cleanses before, but now like I started my splits journey, which I'm going to do a video on as well with my yoga, and I really wanted to do this for overall wellness, and so I wanted to show you the effects of a sea salt cleanse, which have many benefits that you can look into. This can help to treat IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. It can help with constipation and just to clean up the colon in general, and just to flush your, any remaining energies. It's really safe as far as detoxing for me to do while I'm pregnant. And the only thing I'm really going to be mindful of is my water content. So I'm definitely going to be hydrating throughout the day. But it's first thing in the rising in the morning, and I'm doing it on an empty stomach so you get the best results. You can also do, just in a general sense, not affiliated with the salt cleanse, you can do hot water and lime or lemon, and that can jumpstart your movements as well. That's why I'm going to do it on an empty stomach, just so I clean out what's left, what's been digested, what's sitting there, and then I can take things in. And I was also considering doing a liquid fast, and I may do like daily vlogs and do like a challenge and a cleanse to keep myself accountable, because if I'm telling people I'm going to do it and they see that I'm doing it, I'm like, oh, I didn't do it. It kind of keeps me disciplined, so that's what I love about vlogging. Yes, mama. So yeah, I'm going to show you where I'm starting from, and then we'll get into the recipe. All right, y'all, so this is where I'm starting from. Okay, this is belly. Relaxed. Yes, mama. So I do yoga and I exercise, but not as often as I really should. It's challenging being a full-time mom and having like my own business and all the stuff that I'm doing to be consistent, but I know a lot of people who do it. So this is just me being a little bit more disciplined. Target area, midsection more than lower belly, but we're my midsection, and handles. I love how my body is though, honestly. It's just really just about toning and clearing any, this is mostly for my internal belly, because I know this is going to go away quickly. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. Let's get it. So here we go. I got my mug here, and I'm gonna boil the hot water. Y'all know me. So you want to get about 2 cups. Of hot water. Next, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of pink Himalayan sea salt. I'm holding Nova, so pardon the shakiness. All right, and I'm also gonna squeeze. It says 2 teaspoons of lime juice or lemon juice. I'm just gonna squeeze this half. I would juice it, but like I said, I'm holding baby girl, so. The lime's supposed to help with the flavor, but it's also gonna make this even more alkaline. I think that's enough for now. And I'm just gonna stir this with what's near me. I want all this to dissolve. You can also boil this on the stove with the salt and water. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. See her little toes. Wait, no, baby. All right, y'all, so like I said, I have had not a lick of water, not a drop, nothing, no breakfast, nothing to eat. I have my solution here. I'm gonna go ahead and drink it down. Salut. It's still hot. Actually tastes really good. I'm a mermaid if you didn't know. Siren, you like that name better. Let's see if I can sip it. Too hot. I have to wait for it to cool down and then I'll drink some more. So we'll come back. The time is 2 o'clock on the dot, so we'll see what happens within the next 2 to 3 hours is what it says. Some people do this overnight. Since I'm doing it on a fresh belly, we'll see. Alright, y'all, so this is my body. I'll loosen this up after the fast or the flush. You can see my belly is tightened up a bit. I'm trying to just let it loose and kind of pushing it out. But that like flimsy part that was hanging down is gone. It's gone. You feel me? I feel like it's a shadow. I don't know if you guys can see if the lighting's really good. Yeah, and that was after one use. I've seen some people do multiple. Not bad. If you see I'm really moisturized, it's because I'm using this conditioner or this lotion I've been making. It's really good. See? Look at that shine. Look at my knuckles, right? You see how they look? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Super smooth. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make a belly tightening cream. But I appreciate you for being on this journey with me. I love you as always.